This product sits outside, might be referred to as an island unit. This sits outside in the open, out in the open weather. It's got a weatherized lining. And of course, the customer is able to view the full face of this product. So we're going to see this in various steps through the build process here on the line in just a second.
Ohio is a great manufacturing state, continues to be. One of the things that we focus a lot on, of course, is workforce and making sure that we have people who have the background, the training to go into these jobs. And manufacturing, again, is something that's kind of the heart and soul of Ohio. In Ohio, we're Ohioans, we make things. And so one of the things that we're trying to do, and doing as governor, is talking about that. And the close cooperation between our schools and our businesses really are what makes all the difference in the world.
The bare product, as you can see, starts here. Nothing in it. And the main unit's going to flow down this line. And we're going to walk down that line here in a second, but I wanted you to explain how this works.
Itself starts where?
So it starts right here. We put a lock in it. That's the first step.
How many jobs do you have now?
So currently we're staffed about 80 associates. Probably within the week we'll be up to 100. And that includes a handful of staff. And then all the associates you see on the floor, 95% of associates you see on the floor are brand new to this work, to this company. And they're in training. So that's all part of the ramp up piece. And so we have some challenges right now, but that's what's going on. There's still the base unit.
Hello there, ladies. How are you?
So you'll see the base unit, and these operators are slowly adding components.
Great. Brand new job right here in North Canton. That's what How long does it take from start to assemble one from start to finish?
So this particular model, which is our most, I'll say it's the toughest as far as time goes, and that model is between 10 and 12 hours to build it from scratch. Now, to put it through the whole process, we need a couple of days for it to be pulled, staged, moved around. But exactly. But many times we will get expedite requests where we have to jump the process, and we're pretty good at doing that, and we can get one through pretty quick. You may have a customer that wants a different size monitor. And we'll see it on the faces over there. You'll have a customer who might want a vandal shield or a touch screen or a different printer, or they want a coin module, no coin module. So all of that then impacts that face, which adds to other parts to be able to accommodate those options. So then their partner knows, because there's many other components that support one option versus another.
Is it 3 shifts, 1 shift? What would be the shifts you run here? Day shift?
Right now it's day shift. These associates will work 7 to 3:30. Of course, we'll adjust with any variation through overtime. But right now it's a 1 shift operation.
Do you plan on opening it to another shift eventually?
Well, it's all based on volume. So obviously the idea is to keep it to 1 shift, because you grow your shift, and it's okay you grow your employees, but now you got to grow your staff too, and that's so. And these associates are all testing units, working on units. You can see one here that's in the middle of tests right here. So. So this unit's fired up, and this is the interface for the operator that they're going through this step, testing all the options, and this is an instruction that tells them what to do, what should be up there, what should be happening. And so that helps the operator work their way through the test.
Hello. Put the magnet on.
How's it going?
It's going. Working hard. Learned a lot of new stuff. A lot of new stuff.
You've only been here a short time.
Yes. month and 2 days. Learned a lot. in that little time. Yeah, you know, I learned a lot. Exciting for them.
License scanner on it. So Christine is one of our advanced operators. She's from the Greensboro facility, and she's helping us out. So she's helping us get ramped up in this area.
That's a license plate?
A
Or
license.
driver's
Driver's
license.
For some banks with software.
Oh, wow. That'd be okay. Then you can. So you wouldn't have to use a card then, right? You just.
Right. She's testing it right now. She's testing it. It shows. She's testing it right now. Take a picture of the part.
Like I said, I can't thank you enough for hooking me up with Nikki and getting your support for the route. I tell you, if we get that in this region, it's going to be a game changer for them.
Well, we love to see jobs being created in Ohio, and that's what you're seeing right here, and more are coming. So I think it's very exciting. You know, Ohio is a manufacturing state. We're going to remain a manufacturing state, and you know, one of the challenges that companies talk about is can they find the people to work? But you know, when I talk to some of the employees here, some of the associates, you know, they're very excited about the job. It's a new job for most of them. They've not done anything. Many of them have not done anything like this before, but they're doing very well.